have arrived in Cebu City, which is a little transfer point. Right now we're off to the vegan restaurant, the only one that we can see, called Eden's Vegan Hub. And it looks like they have vegan Filipino food. Oh, Natalia's presenting her PowerPoint. The Christian PowerPoint. Pardon me? We ordered the caldereta, the humba, and the barbecue skewers. Plus, garlic fried rice. Barbecue soy seitan skewers. Sweet and salty, tomatoey, ketchupy. Tastes like Filipino barbecue. The caldereta is kind of like sweet and sour with a savory note of star anise and pineapple. Really good, really good. And then the humba. It has a more herbaceous taste. Uses bay leaf and some sort of brown, I think, mushroom gravy. Really quite nice. Filipino food is great. We've arrived to Cebu City in the middle of Sinulog Festival, which is predictably a religious festival. There's street markets and street food and stuff all over the place here. I gotta say, it has a very India vibe to it. It reminds me of some of southern India's places a lot. And another similarity to India it has is that the food side of the market is jam-packed.
Hello, welcome to Jason's Barbecue.
This is the patron saint of Cebu City?
Yeah, Santo Niño.
How long has it been the saint of Cebu City?
460 years.
460 years.
When he arrived to Cebu City. Ferdinand Magellan from France brought it to Cebu City.
Okay. Well, all the way
in
back to
1506.
That's amazing. And how long does this festival last? Is it like a few days, one day? When's the big day?
It starts today.
Yeah.
And it will go for 9 days.
Wow, okay.
And the festival is really on January 18th.
18th. But that's like it glows slowly to the biggest day.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot for your time. Well, that's just one small part of that festival. Sinulog Festival, celebrating the patron saint of Cebu. The next day, we're headed to Carbon Market. Here we are. As you know, we like to feature thrifting, and this has shitloads of it. I would do a whole other video about Cebu City thrifting, but just know there's dozens and dozens and dozens of stores. We're just gonna quickly walk the market, maybe buy some mangoes.
Hello, welcome to Cebu City.
Thank you. Let's go in this entrance. Lots of fruit and vegetables and spices and produce available here. It's quite a cluttered little market for kitchen supplies and a whole flower market. Wow. Tons of flowers here at the market. I think it rivals even the amount of flowers that might be at an Indian market, hey? There's a ramp to go upstairs here, maybe. Should we see what's up there? Food market for sure. Lots of cool stuff. Baskets, brooms, dusters. So we did manage to buy something, a couple of mangoes. Those are about $2.75 Canadian. Not sure if we got hosed or not. Tell us in the comments. It seems like a reasonable price. They're big, they're juicy, they're ripe. So, and so are the mangoes.
So hot.
Now it's time to go eat. Boom, we're back. The burger has a crispy mushroom patty, a little one, and a great big bun. And some like spicy kind of mayo. And it's quite tasty. I'm gonna also try the cucumber lemonade and some fries. Yeah, it's good. Fresh and cucumbery. Not too lemony. Not incredibly sweet. Refreshing. Refreshing? Mm-hmm. Refreshing. Well, we are going to see someone from Canada. Well, sort of. One of them's from Canada, one of them's from the Philippines. They both live in Canada now. And we feature them on this channel before because they have an awesome little food business themselves. So let's see who it is. Hi.
Very warm.
You already know them from another video. Where's the kettle corn stand? Are we? No.
Right?
We have come to Top of Cebu. Why is it called that? Well, it's because it's Cebu and it's the top of it. There we go. It's a hilly area where you can look out and see all of Cebu. Already I see a man in an embarrassing hat and uniform. So you were here last time and you said it was being built.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Oh wow, yeah, very postcard-like view on the way in. Okay. Wow, this is actually quite nice.
Yeah.
Wow, really, really, really nice here. Wow. Whoa. So let's talk cost. You can get a bus for $200 per person at Ayala Mall. Buses leave every half an hour, and the 200 pesos gives you round trip. So that's like $5 round trip, $2.50 each way. And when you're up here, it doesn't include anything else except admission. But that's great. It's actually a pretty decent deal. $5 a person in the Philippines, not bad at all. I'm told, though, however, that it used to be only 100. Ugh. But things are getting more expensive. Post Duterte and in the Marcos era, I guess things got to go up. So it's a beautiful view. I think it's worth it, and you can get one hell of a selfie. Jason's DJI drones, same brand as our new action camera we had to get after our GoPro let us down again, was out. And he took some beautiful shots. I'd never used a drone before, and I was impressed by its relatively quiet presence, live monitor, and all its other bells and whistles. What was extra unexpected and so kind was Jason letting me try it. Oh, wow.
And then you can play with these.
Oh, wow. It's very, very sensitive.
There is a sensor on it, so it will try to fight gravity.
It was so awesome. I hope to add one of these babies to my collection and get all the amazing shots in the vegan everywhere future.
There is a sensor, so you have to sneak under it. There's a sensor there, yeah. There you go. And then turn it upside down. Yeah, or do that.
All right. And I'm going to hand that over now because that was really fun and I appreciate it. But if I were to ever break or lose a drone, I'd want it to be my own. Westies.
Yeah, Westies.
Are you in a Westie club or what's going on?
Yeah.
I'm facing the camera the wrong way. An amazing day here at Tops of Cebu. Huge thanks, of course, to Jason and Nami from Gary's Kettle Corn. If you're in the Vancouver area and you have not tried their fully vegan line of kettle corn, you are dead to us until you do. So make sure you get it. It's delicious. Thanks.
Hello, good evening, sir. Inside the bus.
Good evening. So, there are our friends from Gary's Kettle Corn, Jason and Nami, the beautiful Natalia, myself, for Vegan Everywhere. I'm David.